Hello, guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your go to home decor YouTube channel. So, I've already brought you a video about inspiring little girls' home decor for their bedrooms. So, it's only right that I bring you one for the little boys. This is to inspire you and motivate you to create something absolutely stunning and beautiful in your little boy's bedroom, or if you just love home decor like me and like to look at it. If you have not already, definitely subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's get the video started. I hope that you all are enjoying the video so far. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of our home decor family. And yeah, let's get right back into the video. I am just obsessed with these rooms. They are so cute. My question is, I wonder how long they actually stay like this. They're gorgeous though. Alright guys, so I hope these rooms have inspired you and motivated you to think outside the box when it comes to decorating your little boy's room, or if you just wanted something really cute to watch on YouTube today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.